Number 2, support physical skills like throwing and catching, running, jumping, and climbing. Number 3, help your students at home build bone strength through exercise, diet like calcium and vitamin D. Number 4, phys ed is great for stress reduction because we talk about nutrition, sleep, exercise, and hydration. Same as number 5, anxiety and depression, sleep, music, dance, yoga, all these things help. We cover that in phys ed. Number 6, relationships. Absolutely, we have mutual respects for the other teams. We have teammates, sportsmanship, and positivity. Athletics and phys ed also works on memory and concentration, like long-term and short-term, and coding and storage, and so on. 8, phys ed builds self-confidence because you focus on your strengths, you self-talk, and you experience accomplishments. Number 9, we also teach life skills and survival, navigating, building a shelter, first aid, and so on. And lastly, 10, phys ed is part of a healthy lifestyle through fitness, nutrition, and relaxation. So, what are some cool things we could actually make at home for phys ed? How about a braided jump rope made with recycled bags? All you have to do is cut the bottoms out and then attach them by just folding them through each other, and pretty soon you'll have 3, and then you could braid them and make a full-size jump rope. Really cool. If your kids make it, they'll use it. What about the balloon thing in the morning? Keep the balloon up. This gets your arms, your legs, and your hands loosened for a day of work. Next, we have those basketball players out there like I was. My coach would say, break the wrist like a duck. So put a bowl out and toss socks into it. And lastly, do what we do here at our home. We come up with an activity calendar for the month to use moderate to vigorous physical activities, and we ensure that we do them one a day. Like, for instance, on the 4th, we played a game of tag. Today, we're actually going to have a dance party after the show, and tomorrow we'll be building a cup tower. But as you can see, we have different things like 10 push-ups or take a long family walk. So there it is. Do one of these things at home. Promote physical education. This was day 5. We'll see you next week. Keep reading, keep writing, but most importantly, be safe.